Hi traders, this is Pratik and I welcome you all to this video tutorial on Fyers Web. In today's presentation, I'm going to talk about how to operate the bracket order function on Fyers Web. We have also published a blog for the same, which is available on our website under Brainstorm. To have a quick overview about the video, it talks about placing, modifying and exiting a bracket order. So let's get started. Let's place a bracket order for Axis Bank. Once the order entry form is open, you get to choose the order type you wish to trade. Currently we are providing a regular, cover order, bracket order and the AMO, that is aftermarket orders on Fyers Web. I am now placing the bracket order for this stock, which can be seen on the screen. Do note that the bracket orders can only be placed through the limit order type. So according to the current market price, I am placing the limit price at Rs 640. Now I'll have to mention the stop loss and the target prices here. Unlike the cover order, here you will have to enter the exact price difference between your main order price against the stop loss and the target price. So if the stop loss and the target are to be 635 and 643 respectively, then you'll have to mention 5 and 3 in the stop loss and target input box. Once the order is placed, it can be tracked in the orders tab under dashboard. One thing can be noted that until unless the main order gets executed, the target and the stop loss orders will not get activated. So let's modify the main order and make it execute. As you observe that, as soon as the main order got executed, the target and the stop loss orders start to appear in the orders tab under pending mode. They can also be seen on the chart as well. Modifying the target and the stop loss orders is highly convenient on Fyers Web. To modify these orders, you can simply drag and drop on the chart at whichever the price you want. And you can also modify them from the orders tab. Now let's learn how to exit or square off a bracket order. Just for your information, you cannot exit a bracket order from the positions tab. Therefore, to cancel a bracket order, you will have to cancel any of the pending orders either from the orders tab or from the chart. And since it's an OCO, that is the one cancels the other order, once either of the orders are cancelled, the other one gets cancelled automatically. So this was all about the bracket orders. Stay tuned for more updates.